All right. Okay, so we took a little break. We're back now. And taking another look at this board and how we can take it off or just get to what we need. I would like to take this whole board off, both pieces. If I could accomplish that, that would be awesome. So this metal can only take so much. Same with the mechanical soldering, or the connections there, the mechanical connections. The solder only does just a little bit. Okay, so I don't want to keep bending this thing. I do think though, if I bend it down, I can get at those screws, I think. And then the whole board possibly would come out. I mean, the two boards connected really. Okay, if one of these pieces break off, it's not a big deal because I can solder them back together. The trick is keeping everything nice and neat and not having to do that. If there was another way to take this out easier, then that would be the solution, but I'm not seeing that happening right now. These pieces could come off, it looks like. The switch mechanism, as well as this mechanism down here. I haven't figured out what that one is yet. I haven't really looked at it, but all of that could come off, and it might give us more access into here. But I would like to try bringing this board down gently without having to move these things. So let's do that really quickly. I just want to see. Oh, look, it is kind of just coming down. Okay, I'll keep it easy. Don't have to push anything here. Always the first time with anything, it's nice going slow. It really is. So you break whatever you're going fast on, usually. Well, at least that's what I've found. I take it slow. The first go, maybe I could speed it up and be really effective. The next goes. But look at that. I've effectively pulled that down without hurting my connections here. We could totally see now the burn mark that was a little pronounced from the other side, but you can really see the discoloration here now. Okay, so yeah, just banging on your microwave or something that's broken may not fix it. It could be that there's something else going on here. Okay, but that occasional knock on something that may have been loose that needed to reconnect, that isn't a piece like that, maybe it will work, you know. So I don't discount the knocking, but it's not always going to fix it. Tiny little one, circuit board type. Boy, we can really get in here now, huh? Plenty of room. Let me go ahead and switch that screwdriver head up. A little bigger one. We'll see. Yeah, that's nice. You notice I like using these kind of tools. Um, and even shorter ones. I'll get them real short and I'll put little grippy on it. And I like the hex because you can really turn it with one hand, hold it with the other. Oh, those are nice little tools to have. Of course, you want to properly discharge yourself before you jump into anything with the electronics, because you could be damaging other components just by self-discharging on it. Oh, and I lost my first screw dunk. We'll get it. We'll get it. I got it right now. Ha! There we go. Gotta let my computer breathe. If you want to check it out, that's a little prototype going on there. It's getting a little hot. Had it covered up like this. Yeah, it's my son's. We're sharing it, considering I jacked one of his toy boxes for this. Alright, yeah, that's what we're using to stream. Excuse me, to run the video. Not really streaming today. Actually, I guess it's not run, really capturing. We're going to be running it anyways, too. Well, let's see if we can get this thing out of here easily now. I think with just the right touch, we can move this thing past these switches here. And, oh, yep, here it comes. I think this is going to come right out. Be a little gentle here. Make sure I'm not grabbing any wires with it. There it comes. And there's our piece. Yeah, that's what makes all the lights on the microwave, and it's our dial. And you can see the connections here to the board. And then also you can see the burn marked pretty easily there now, and the pink resistor that is shot.